The wildlife trade includes the use of animals and plants for aquariums, pets, fur products, trinkets, and for human consumption as food or medicine.
The wildlife trade is an issue because it's part of a combination of factors that are driving wildlife toward extinction. We're in the middle of an extinction crisis that is unprecedented. The trade is happening in almost every country in the world, and it's impacting up to 1/3 of species globally. When the wildlife trade occurs, it's not just impacting a single species, it's impacting a whole ecosystem. If you remove an animal from an environment or a plant from an environment, it is a dismantling of the web of connections that that species creates. It's pulling apart the web one by one by one. For wildlife that's extracted from the wilderness, they often incur very brutal circumstances, and it's a very inhumane practice. And the whole driver behind this is money. People at the highest levels of the trade are having huge economic benefit, and while people who are out in the field who are doing the actual poaching are participating in the trade as a way of escaping from poverty. So we need to address a multi-pronged solution to the trade. The Endangered Species Coalition sees the practice of wildlife trafficking as part of a systemic broken relationship with the natural world. We invite you to learn about the illegal trade in animals and plants and to take actions to reinvent this relationship. With sustained effort and informed methods, we can move away from the grave harms of the illegal trade and instead emphasize a restorative, generative relationship with nature.